What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate JHTV. Yeah, so the festive season is here, and definitely man has to eat. However, some people are being denied access to eat. And who am I talking about? Yes, so Akuapem Poloo is in the news. Before I go through today's gossip or the details of today's gossip, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so without wasting much time, Akuapem Poloo is actually crying on social media because some people are denying her access to eat this Christmas. Yes, so as you already know, people become famous for so many reasons. When they attain certain heights in life or in society, they tend to use their influence to make money, and that is or that can also be said about Akuapem Poloo. As we all know, she started with her social media rants and all that, attacking people here and there, and she became popular. And since then, she has amassed a lot of following on social media, and therefore brands like to associate themselves with her in order to promote their brand for them and also in exchange for money. But the brand Akuapem Poloo for some time now has been attributed to a bad press or bad reportage. Therefore, a lot of brands who used to work with her have dissociated themselves from her, and this is a big worry for her. And recently when she actually posted a naked picture of herself and her son, that particular issue really went deep and really affected her. So she went off social media for a while, and now she's back. And in a recent interview with Fifi Pass, she made mention of the fact that right now brands are not really doing business with her. It's really affecting her because that's what she actually depend on. Apart from her starting her own business, the Akuapem Poloo honey business and other small business that she does and all that. So it seems that particular reportage, that particular issue has really affected Akuapem Poloo. Therefore, she's crying out to brands out there to actually work with her. Yeah, so just recently or some few hours ago, she posted a video of herself actually drinking cocoa and actually addressing that particular issue, saying that it's the same people around her who are actually blocking her chances because some brands want to really work with her, but then they send messages out there, and those people have become a tiger in her life. Therefore, they're actually eating her food, okay, or they're actually blocking access to people who are supposed to actually call her for business. They'll whisper to those people that no, don't do business with Akuapem Poloo. If you do business with her, your business will not sell, your brand will not sell, whatever you are doing will not sell, because there's a lot of bad press or bad reportage around the brand Akuapem Poloo. And this is a really serious worry for her. And for me, I think if somebody wants to work with somebody, you shouldn't actually interfere. Let the person actually go in there, they talk business. If the person can do it or not, they proceed from there, rather than backbiting or betraying people and all that. I think that one is not really good. Guys, what do you think about that? Before you even drop your comment on this particular issue, I would like for you guys to actually watch the video and listen to what she said critically. Then you actually drop your comment in the comment section below.
I'm beating you. The love I have for you. I sat on motor because of traffic. I know. Yes, so I was even telling my sister today, I didn't bring my car. I came with motor. They're delivering myself. English is not good. They're delivering myself. Delivering la moto. La moto la prayer. I love my job. Yes. So please, your prayer on me. Amen. Amen. You always fight to. You love it and the last time you go here. So this is it. Okay. So guys, as you know, yes, now the traffic is tough because of Christmas. Don't worry. Call me and you see me in the traffic. I come with my motorbike. I come and I work for you. Most of you here, I know you like me, papa. But because of some people who are influencing you, say no matter ni jata or my brabo, you want to work with me, but because of nyama boni and kofaka family no, matter ni jata mo nyama pese mo baba menche, meaning pass companies the brave person signing me, but my people will not allow you to sign me. I'm mama than sibo. My people here, my foreigners, you can't understand the English I'm speaking. What I mean is, I know most companies want to work with me, but they've turned Jata, meaning they've turned lion, and they've turned leopard, Sibo. And if you hate Polo, you hate me for nothing, because I don't hate anyone. Meaning, but nipa binumu, nipa boni fubi, ama madani, Jata and Sibo. You don't want to see me anywhere close to you. What have I done to you? And if you want to work with Polo, I have my contact on my page. Don't go and seek permission from somewhere. Or because you know someone is close to me, you have to ask the person, how can I get it? Because they don't like me, they will destroy me to you, or they won't let you come and work with me. Companies, you know I'm good. Don't turn Jata and support to me. Don't turn lion and leopard. You are invited to my porridge. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Merry Christmas in advance. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
Okay guys, so you heard it all from Akuapem Poloo. You could see she's really peeved about this particular issue because Christmas is coming. She has a family to feed and all that. Okay, all too soon we've come to the end of the daily entertainment gossip right here on that TV. As I always say, if you're new here, can you subscribe to this channel? But if you don't subscribe to this channel, you're not getting the latest gossip from the camp of the Ghanaian entertainment industry and also other industries as well. And so don't forget to also follow me personally for updates on social media. That's at Odate_Gh. I also have a blog which is running, which is one of the hottest blogs in Ghana right about now. That's odateghnews.com. Log on and let's get interactive on there as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.